I'm Joanna and I work in the health and wellness industry with network marketing. My biggest takeaway was I have to believe what I'm doing is helping others, and that I can do it, that I'm capable of doing it, building belief in myself to do it. And definitely a lot of organizational things have to come in play because I'm very unorganized, but that all goes into the mental thing that you have to work on yourself. My struggle before this weekend was niching down. I wanted to help everybody, and when you help everybody, you don't help anybody. So I needed to really focus on who I wanted to help so I could really narrow my message and they can receive it. I made the investment in the 7-figure influencer because I need a kick in the ass. I need direct guidance and a little bit of hand-holding, but not babysitting or breastfeeding. I feel like I'm taking it seriously, and the investment is not just in my business, but it's also in me. I would 100% recommend Beach Boss to anyone who's serious about making their business, moving like from that hobby or frustration into like a solid business where they see a future for themselves and their family.